So we're in a situation where these drugs are quite necessary in a way because of the toxic food landscape that we live in. People are now taking drugs to completely zap their appetite so that they don't get tempted to eat the food around them because that food is making them sick. I just find this to be quite a crazy situation that we've ended up in. Imagine if the water in our taps was so toxic that pharma companies had to create a drug to make us not thirsty so that we wouldn't drink the toxic water. That's kind of what's happening with these medications. The food is making us sick, is giving us type 2 diabetes. So people are taking these drugs to just not eat that toxic food. But I think we sort of lose sight a little bit of how we got here in the first place, which is the food that we eat today is not healthy food. Most of us are consuming ultra processed foods with so many refined carbohydrates and sugars, and those are making us sick. So there is an appeal of these drugs for people with type 2 diabetes in particular, because there's this sort of belief that type 2 diabetes is a condition that cannot be reversed, that you need medication to help you. That's not true. If you're able and if you have the capacity and the budget to be able to change what you're eating, you can reverse type 2 diabetes with food, and that's what my hacks teach.